Hello students and parents. This is going to be a quick video explaining how to navigate your way through Canvas in the math class. In order to get to Canvas, you first need to be able to log in. You're going to start by going to scholar.instructure.com. It'll prompt you with a login, and your login for Canvas is the same as your login for the Microsoft Office suite, including your Outlook email account. Once you're in Canvas, you'll have your dashboard, you'll have all of your classes here. I'm going to just click on any random class, but all of them are going to work the same and run the same. Starting in this class, on the main video, you are going to see this screen, and you're going to see this video that I am currently recording right here, where it says Insert Video here. So it might look just a little bit different because you're actually seeing this video right here. This is the home page. This is where you're going to find almost everything that you are going to need to be successful in this class. We're going to scroll down a little bit. If you need the disclosure statement, you can click here. But this is where the magic happens. This is a Google Calendar that I have embedded into Canvas. It is unique to each class. Currently, each class is doing about the same thing. So when I click on the day, you can see exactly what it is that we worked on. So if you missed class, you can always click on the calendar and find exactly what you need. This says Standards for Math Practice 1. So that's going to give me a clue as to where I need to look when I continue to scroll on below. Below, you're going to see a whole list of all of the units that we're going to be covering. Some dates are listed for the specific dates we're going to be covering those units, and you're going to see some helpful links. Remember, the calendar said we covered Standard for Math Practice 1. That Standard for Math Practice 1 is going to be in the unit called Standards for Math Practice. If you want to access the specific notes that we took in class on any given day, especially if you're absent, you're going to want to click on the section called Notes. When you click on the Standards for Math Practice Notes, it's going to take you directly to a OneDrive folder where I save all of the notes for each class. These are the notes for today, where we made sense of problems and persevered in solving them, including warm-up, all other notes that were written, etc. Below the OneDrive link to the notes, you will see another link that will take you to the actual documents that I pass out in class. Today, we passed out the document where you actually took the notes, and it looked just like this. So clicking on that will take you right there to that folder. Usually it's going to be a folder. For this unit, all the things that you need are all going to be right there in that one document. Returning to that home page, you can see that previously we were in the disclosure statement and class norms. So if you need access to any of those materials from any previous days, you're going to find it there. Just follow the dates. They will help you figure out where you need to go. You can see the future unit. We don't have anything linked up yet. Once that unit gets started, you will find those links are active. The last place that you want to look is right here. If you actually click on the icon, it will take you directly to the unit in Canvas. So, Standards for Math Practice Unit in Canvas, click and go. It takes us to the modules page. Here's the math practices. And whatever icon you click on, it will take you to that specific module. I clicked on the Math Practices icon, and so it took me to the Math Practices module. On the Math Practices page, you'll remember when I clicked on the calendar, it said Math Practice 1. So, looks like this matches with what we did in class, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is a lesson video, so if you were absent on the day that we talked about this or any of the other topics, you'll go into Canvas and you will see the lesson video that you can watch as if you were actually in class and learning. No need to worry about trying to make it up and figure it out on your own. You can just watch that lesson video. After watching the lesson video, you can go ahead and see what's next. And for this particular lesson, there is an assignment that you can complete in Canvas. You can complete the assignments online when they are available, but most assignments are not going to be completed in Canvas. Most of them will be completed in person and then handed into the teacher. So if you're absent, just collect those missing assignments and you can return them to the teacher when you return to school. Again, the home page is where you're going to find the most important information. This video is here. You can watch it at any time. You can also click on the calendar to find out what you missed in class that day, and scroll below for notes, for copies of the work, and for the lesson videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in class.